Man feared dead after St. Elizabeth crash involving police service vehicle. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man is feared dead following a two-vehicle crash involving a police service vehicle and a motor car on the Holland Bamboo Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Monday. Preliminary reports suggest that shortly after 2 p.m., the service vehicle crashed into the side of a motor car. It is not yet clear as to how the accident happened. Firefighters had to be called to remove a badly injured man from one of the vehicles who appeared to be lifeless. Police and firefighters are presently on the scene. Reports also suggest that the police are among the injured taken to hospital. The police pickup M115, a Mitsubishi L200 originally assigned to the Clarendon Police Division, was being used by a team to cover the Area 3 Police Division. Area 3 Police Division comprises of Manchester, Clarendon and St. Elizabeth. Amateur videos of the crash scene has been circulating on social media.
Me say as he can't, me say they can't catch it.
Pharmacy can't, me say yo, I can't.
They can't catch it. Cause same time my boyfriend, me say him a call me for them say them a run, but me say they can't catch it. Can't catch it because Italy. When them a come up, you say he gone way up already. Yes, he blew one. They can't catch it.
Yeah, but brother, listen, it's them that carry them. One same pass.
I give you distance, Lowy.
Let's make them go.
Lowy. Me say, buy me 7 phone and say look that they can't catch it.
Man, when me see Paul, me say blood dead, you know.
Boy, me I tell you, say man. The speed where markets for, them couldn't catch it. Can't catch it. Them can't catch it and they still a run it down. Big accident in a lap over again. No, me I gonna make you get the update. Share your life, make people see what I want.
When me see push out.
Me say, the speed where pass with, them couldn't catch it. And you see, no do them, you know? No do them.
Yeah.
Yes. You can't catch it this time when them again, they couldn't catch it. Can't catch it and look there. Is that a man that look like he's dead? Bumbo clot. Him daddy can't see him pin in it. The girl get up. And you see, nobody fit up for help out. Oh, clot. Nobody no want help out. Everybody a drive on road. Me they have smile for watch me start. Me gone with them. God know. Nobody nah help. Officer say if you can't tap somebody if you can't assist, you no cause the accident and over there so turn up. You don't kill our people and nobody if you get somebody if you can't then go Black River. Nobody for help, officer. Officer, but them not, the people them are dead around the same you can't come assist and tap one care if them go Black River no. Bumbo clock man. Everybody a driver and nobody fi come tap and carry people then go Black River. What happened there? I'm here to tell you, I don't want. That is my go for me carry man. Or then maybe them a call different people. Big over accident. See lady, I'll come, you're late, miss. Me say by him, no sir. Me know say you can't catch me say radio. You see when I pass my boyfriend call me same time say police are come. And me see if you see by me if you turn up and look up the road so they can't catch them and they still go kill her around them around our markets. Yeah? Another he crash up there so too? No, the market's gone. And this are innocent people, I don't know why they go slamming at them.
When the car fly past them,
they weird down, son. Why you? The man dead. Oh, man. Eh? if you dead. And I'm left for my stall. Boy. Them not gone yet. So no assistance for carry them got Black River. Nobody can assist them too if they got Black River. So nobody can. Boy, me I tell you. Look, see lady them over there so. Nobody can assist. Nobody now gonna ask you. So I feel something there. You want one van? You want one van? Yo! Why don't you give me a ride? Go down and start. Yo! No matter take out one more there, guys. Nobody no care, no humanity, guys. When they're on the road and not dead, don't know how to drive good. And no love no they again a people them sung a ball and then nobody to take them up. Why me I tell you, wicked boy, wicked. Wicked boy, wicked. Wicked. Hold on, me I go back down. I secure something and start and come back. Me I go for what? There are 2 pieces of plastic in my car. Me I wonder if they can. Him dead. Oh God.
I drive out soon for the man.
I drive out?
You drive out from the building so.
How over the same I come from? Oh,
so them a come for them.
Hey, but when the police, when the car pass, you know, when them a broke the corner up, you say no, this is the Marcus car round the corner and gone already, you know.
Yes, sir. Not see him, Mr. Tulifest. I chase them.
When the man come around the corner, it gone long time. Let me do you so, Jesus Christ, I never see that.
Can you imagine it's just a confounded of your life? What's your quick it happen?
It happened so fast, and you see, no the police, let me know.
Yeah, look watching the road, that's why I mean.
No, the police. And nobody telling them about Black River. I'll go back up there, guys. Anyhow, they can't get nobody, me carry them. Pussy clot. You say man, you come full blower. But me see I drive out upon them still. The people they out there to lie down are dead and nobody fit up and take them up. Jesus Christ. I mean, I tell you no, mankind hard cool. Yeah, no get no drive, me carry them, go on.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.